How to embed YouTube video in your WordPress website. This is very simple method. We are going to explain with two different simple methods. Go to YouTube, pick any video, click on the three dot and click on the share button and copy the link. Go again your WordPress website, click on the plus icon YouTube and click on the YouTube, paste your link and embed your video. This is the very quick, easy and simple method, and done. But we are going to explain the second method. So this is the very simple method. So now we are going to explain the second method, how you can embed video through HTML tag. This is the way, this is always a very simple method. Go to YouTube, click any random video, and then you don't need to click on the share button, but you need to click does not click right click on the video screen, right click on the video screen and click on the copy embed code. Click on the copy embed code, please careful. So when you copy embed code, you need to again go for your article and click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, you need to search HTML. When you click on the custom HTML tag, so you will easily paste your embed code, and when you paste your embed code, so your video is embedded in your WordPress website very easily. So this is the two simple and clean methods that you can easily embed your YouTube video. If you need any type of issue related to WordPress, you can contact us or hire us for WordPress content management. Bundle of thanks.